Hi guys, welcome to week 2 of our distance learning. Let's look at our agenda for today. We are going to move on to probability of compound events this week. So last week we focused on probability of simple events. So that's the probability that one thing will happen. So for instance, what's the probability if I flip a coin, I'm going to land on heads? Well, there's two sides and one of them is heads, so that's 1 out of 2, or 1/2, or 50%, or you could say that's even chance. So last week was simple probability, just the probability of one event. Today we're going to move on and we're going to start looking at probability of compound events. That is the probability of two things happening in a row. So for example, what is the probability of flipping a coin 2 times and landing on heads both times? So we would say the probability of landing on heads once is 1/2. The next time you flip, that is also 1/2. And so you multiply that together. 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So every 4 times you would think that you would land on heads twice in a row. So that seems complicated. It's not. We're going to look at that this week. That's where our learning is going. So what you're doing today is the first thing is you're going to watch 3 videos in Khan Academy. The first one's on probability of compound events. The second one is on counting outcomes. And the third one is on tree diagrams. They're all about 5 minutes or less. You're going to get through them pretty quickly. You're just watching them to learn. And remember, I said when you're watching a video to learn, you need to be looking with your eyes, listening with your ears. If you listen to it one time and you're like, I'm not sure what that said, go back and listen to it a second time. That's the beauty of them being recorded, is that you can watch them a second time. And to me, that's really when I can do learning. The first time I watch it, and sometimes I'm like, I just didn't get it. Watch it again, and then sometimes it makes a little bit more sense. So watch those 3 videos. Then you're going to watch a video, another video that I make where I show you how to make a tree diagram. And then you are going to open the Google slide and make your own tree diagram. And you can either do that right on that Google slide, or you can just use a sheet of notebook paper, and I'll show you how to do that on that next video. And then after you make your own tree diagram, go in and watch the last video where we check it and you can see how you did. There are no IXLs today. There's no assignment to turn in today. Today is just check in. Let me know you were here on the check-in sheet. Watch these videos. Try your hand at a tree diagram. And this shouldn't take you any longer than about 30 minutes at the most today. Probably only 20 minutes. So do those things and let me know if you have any questions.